Alrighty guys, I want to structure this video around Bitcoin trading signal. Not about the kinds that you find in random Telegram groups that try to scam you or similar, but the strategies I use in order to get the signals I need in order to make the right decisions. That's what this video is going to be about, while we live here explore the Bitcoin price and put in some nice trades. Just a couple of days ago, I recorded a video and talked about this opportunity with Bitcoin coming up right here. We are looking at a very exciting time to put in a solid trade. It's going to be very predictable and it's going to be one of the easier trades to put in. So this is a perfect example of how you can align multiple strategies on multiple sides. Set up this strategy. I'll show you exactly how I do it in order to make it work. So I get the signals, the Bitcoin trading signals that I need in order to make the right decision. So let's get into it. We have Bitcoin right here, and as I said just a couple of days ago, I did a video here covering the huge opportunity coming up here in Bitcoin, and it's a fantastic opportunity. I know these videos don't get a lot of views because normally I just cover projects, but I think this is very important because trading can be a backbone to your strategy of holding crypto and investing in crypto as well. If you learn to trade properly, you can get a steady stream of money coming in that you can use in crypto. And it's also a pretty convenient side hustle, especially if you set it up the way that I have it, so that the market works for me. I'm not a slave for the market. When I trade, the market is working for me basically. I get into the market, I see an opportunity or I don't see an opportunity. I'm not trying to force an opportunity. So we wait for the opportunities to arrive, and that is when we arrive right here. This is a fantastic opportunity. So I'm gonna combine 5 or 6 things here that will give us the Bitcoin trading signal that we need in order to make the right decision. So I'll start with the downtrend and the support level. We have a solid downtrend here that the market is following. The reason why it's following is because most people are using technical analysis, and we all came to the same conclusion. That's why technical analysis works, because people use it, so we fight against each other. We then have a support level here on the 62k support level, and if we combine that with my own indicator, that is not a very sophisticated indicator, it's just fine-tuned by me, the way that I like to trade, but it's basically following trading volumes and the directions of the market in order to make a trend. Currently, we are in a downtrend, but it's just very close to flip into an uptrend. What we are waiting for now is just, if we zoom in even more here, within a couple of days, every candle here is 1 day, and if we look 1, 2, 3, 4, at maximum, this is gonna take 4 days to play out. Probably it will not. It was denied here, it was denied here. If we zoom in even more, look at the 4-hour time frame, even more obvious. It tried once, failed, tried again, failed, tried again, failed. It's pushing, it's going for another try right now, and sure, it can make it, but it didn't really blow past very hard here. Now, I want to say that I like to trade on the daily time frame because I don't want to swing back and forth like, oh, it's breaking through, now it's not breaking through. I want a solid answer. I trade a little bit more long term, a couple of days per trade possibly, and so we're waiting for this to play out. But currently it's not looking like it's gonna break out. That doesn't mean that we're gonna put in long just yet. We're actually gonna wait for a confirmation. Sure, you could gamble right now, make a few more percentages of gains, especially if my trend indicator here turns green. That could be a perfect example to put in a trade, and if it then breaks out, it's going to be a fantastic trade, make a lot of money. But we're here to have a successful strategy, make money over time. We're not here to gamble. We got a clear trend. We got 4 days at most, so we can check in every day. You see what's going on, maybe one time in the morning, one time in the evening. You don't want to be checking this here constantly, because then you're going to make the wrong decisions. But here's the thing, in order to get the proper Bitcoin trading signal, we need to go into other sources as well and see what's going on. First, I like to check the fear and greed index. It's very simple. It's not very sophisticated, it's just the overall trend, and as you can see, it's sort of in a little bit of a downtrend here. It's just something we keep in mind. It adds 5-10% to our decision. We then go into Glassnode and we check the overall Bitcoin wallets. I actually like to zoom in a little bit here. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. Maybe latest year. And I like to look at the total Bitcoin wallets because this can kind of show us when new people are entering the place or when people get active trading, active moving money around. And it's kind of in a little bit, it feels like a little bit of a downtrend. It's kind of following this graph here a little bit, which is a good sign for putting in a short. So we felt like it could break through. Actually, if we look at the daily time frame, it doesn't feel like it's going to break through. It's gone below more than it's gone above this trend here. So this is looking like a short. The downtrend here is confirming it. The Glassnode's active wallets is confirming it. This little bump right here is very tiny. If we look at actually Google Trends, I like to do this as well. If we go even closer, 30 last days, we see no peak, no bump, no big bump of interest or anything like that, just a slow, steady downtrend. We go into cryptocurrencies as a topic, and we can see that it feels like it wants to turn around a little bit. If we go to 12 months, yeah, steady downtrend. If we go to 30 days, it's kind of staying the same. If we go into meme coins, we can see an explosive growth here, prediction by Google. Google is predicting massive growth here on the meme coins, and that could pose a potential risk for our short. So the downtrend confirming a short, breaking through the support level here one time, 2 big times in total, not breaking through the downtrend right here, confirming a short. We got a downtrend here. We got multiple signals giving us the Bitcoin trading signal that we need. This might seem simple, like I was just looking at the market and making a random decision, but actually this is a strategy I've developed over a long duration. Over many years of trading, this is the strategy that I've come to. This trading indicator here, there are more trend trading indicators. This is just something I've developed for myself here. It's something I will be releasing, but I'll do something unique, like I'll release it to everyone that's signed up through BYBIT or something like that. I don't want to sell the indicator, but I still want to make some money from it. So I'll release it like through BYBIT or something like that, you know, or some other exchange. I just want to make sure that I get some money from working on it, for developing it. I want to provide useful information, show my own trading strategies. And I do trade on BYBIT, so it would make sense to release it to the followers or the affiliates that join through my BYBIT link. But then again, not here to sell the indicator. You can use any trend trading indicator, match it with your manual indicators that you put into the trading graph, and make fantastic decisions. I want to add one final thing here before I go. This is very important. If you're trading an altcoin, you need to keep Bitcoin in mind. If you're trading Ethereum, BNB, Solana, any of the altcoins, even meme coins, this could be a perfect example to trade meme coins actually, because we saw the Google Trends here about to peak. Could be absolutely fantastic to trade meme coins. You need to keep Bitcoin in mind. What if you put in a short or a long on a meme coin, on an altcoin, and then Bitcoin changes direction? It's gonna pull you along. So this video is mostly dedicated to Bitcoin trading. It's not that much for altcoin and meme coin trading right now. I'm gonna make more videos on that, so stay tuned for that. I'll update you guys on this trade here as frequently as I can. Thank you guys for watching and good luck out there in the market, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.